Hey guys, I thought I would do a quick video today as we are getting ready to go to our first gig of 2020. It has been a long time since I have gigged and we've just got everything all set up ready to go, so I thought I would do a quick vlog. A lot of you know I was on maternity this year, so I had a baby and my last gig was the end of December last year, so I knew I wasn't going to be gigging for a little while. But I don't think any of us were expecting what actually happened with COVID-19, and it has stopped all of the gigs. So my husband was going to be carrying on performing, but because of what's happened, there hasn't been any work at all. So today we are actually going over to Liverpool for our first gig of the year, and it is really weird to be going back to work. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm really looking forward to it. A little bit apprehensive, a little bit nervous, but I'm sure when I get back to it, it'll be all good. So we're going out tonight as me singing and Stephen is doing backing vocals and he is playing guitar. We're doing our acoustic duo tonight. So we're really looking forward to it. Stephen's really itching to get back to doing some live performance, but I think it is going to be kind of different. We're going to try and get a little bit of video footage of the actual gig tonight, if we can. Depends on how busy it is and with the social distancing, if we can actually put the camera up somewhere. I don't know. We'll find out when we get there, but hopefully we'll get a little bit of footage for you guys. It has been a really difficult year for musicians, as you can appreciate. For me personally, obviously, I wasn't going to be working anyway. I knew I was going to be taking that time for maternity, but my husband, Stephen, he lost quite a few gigs with other artists and other bands that he plays with, because he was going to be carrying on while I was on maternity with other singers and other musicians, but everything got cancelled with the lockdown. And then as things have gradually lifted, singing and live music has still been one of those things that they've just said no to, but it's not urgent, it's not the most important thing, which we do understand, but at the same time, for a lot of people, it's been really hard because it is their livelihood for people that are musicians. So it has been really hard for people in the performing arts and singers. This week, I actually went back to work teaching singing lessons and had to put a lot of measures into place to make sure that it was hygienic and that it was safe. And we're doing the same tonight. So we take our own gear. We're going to be taking our own microphones, a good distance from any guests, just to keep it all safe. So hopefully things are on the out, and we're starting to get more gigs booked in, which is really, really exciting. But who knows what will happen. We're going to really look forward to playing tonight, and yeah, I will let you know how it goes. Okay, so we have just left our baby with the babysitters. Trying not to cry. This is the first time we have left him without either one of us since he was born. But he is being left with grandparents, so we feel a bit better about that. He'll be fine. But it's just a big deal. We are on our way to Liverpool now, so it's going to be an interesting one. But nice to get back to it. Are you excited?
Yeah, looking forward to it.
I am looking forward to it. It's going to be weird because obviously it's a completely different vibe now with all the COVID rules, the safety rules. So we don't have to wear masks when we're performing, but everybody else is going to be in masks. Hopefully we'll be boxed off a bit and not in the walkway that we usually are in, because that passes everybody. We're starting off with sitting on the dock of the bay.
If I can remember it.
Well, hopefully. We've done it about a billion times. We normally start with that. But we're actually on the Albert Dock tonight, so it fits pretty well. And that's a nice warm-up song because it's really chill. It starts off quite low, and it's got a nice vibe. It kind of gets everyone in the mood, the live music mood. So we really like starting with that one. I haven't done any warm-ups at all today. Haven't sang, which is terrible. But what can I say? I wasn't that organised today. I just had a nice family day. But I'm going to sing now. We've got a 40-minute journey to do some singing. My first singing teacher always said never ever sing in the car because it's really bad for your posture. You can't breathe in properly, and all of those things are true. But who doesn't sing in the car? Everybody sings in the car. You sing in the car?
Definitely.
I sing in the car. And I'm from Wales originally, so all those long car journeys to try and get anywhere would have been really dull if I didn't get to sing in the car. One time I was actually pulled over because I must have been swaying as I was singing and breathalyzed. But it was fine, because I wasn't drink driving, just having a good time in the car. Anyway, so we'll try, like I said, get some little clips of it, and we will see you afterwards and let you know how it goes. Done one set, gone well. We're a bit ropey, but we're going to keep going. We'll try. We're on string down already. 5 strings to go. Okay, so we did it. Gig is done. Went fine. Well,
we're rusty.
A little bit rusty, a little bit patchy. Same old, few little things here and there, but some really good songs as well.
Nice to be back. Nice to play again.
It was really bizarre, really, really weird. What I can say is I understand why Merseyside is locking down a little more. The staff are amazing. Like, from the moment we got in, they were amazing. Brought us 2 beers, didn't they?
Yeah.
What do you want to drink? Some water with no ice for me. And that was great. So they just looked after us from the get-go. All the staff had masks on, so they did their part. But
Clean
the guests just were not bothered at all.
Different
Massive
households,
groups. Like, they were just coming up to us. We had quite a few, which is really nice, because people were coming over to say really nice things and asking us if they can follow social media, or they were asking for requests. But
they're just in your face.
Yeah, and like one girl in particular was so close. We're going to anti-back Stephen's face. I think it's important that we do.
Yeah, I feel like it's on me.
Yeah, a bit COVID, a little bit COVID.
Yeah.
And then she wanted to see the set list, so but we were like, sorry, we can't give you the iPad.
Yeah.
There's a global pandemic, so just trying to be hygienic. But it was nice because she was lovely, and they were obviously wanting to enjoy the music, and enjoy their night. So that was good.
Yeah.
Few, well, usual musician things that happen. You know, Stephen got a plate thrown on him. String broke straight away. People, walking right next to us. In fact, did you hear those 2 girls that walked past without masks on? Which, by the way, at this moment in time, you have to wear a mask even if you go into the toilet. Unless you're sitting down eating, you shouldn't be wearing a mask. And 2 girls walked past us. Bear in mind, we're in a little corner away from everyone sitting down, tucked in. And 2 girls went past and said, is that legal about us?
Did
like,
they? I didn't
you're
hear
not wearing a mask. This is legal. What you're doing is... Anyway, never mind. We had some great feedback. It went really, really well. My throat is killing me now. And I'm excited to get home to my baby.
Are killing me. Set 3, it was like,
Sets. I probably said this, we did 3 45-minute sets. So we did it.
Day in the life of a musician.
Back into the swing of it.
Yeah.
And we really need to practice more.
Yeah, back to the practice.
Yeah, but all fun.
Here we go.
Okay then. Thanks for watching. Over and out.
Bye.